All right, so I'm gonna show you how to assemble one of these pins, put the clicker mechanism and pocket clip in. We've got a little cheap collet holder here, little 5C collet. We made a little plastic bushing inside there so we don't scratch the body of the pin. Also have some Nipix pliers with the diameter of the pin machined in it so it doesn't scratch them. So I like to put the clicker mechanism into the pin to start with a little bit, and you notice I leave it out a small amount. There's a groove inside that bushing that the clip actually snaps into. So we'll put this in here, lock it down, take the clip, and it will actually snap down onto that bushing and then line it up with the groove. Make sure it's all the way down, snug that up by hand. Take your pliers, gently put them on there, snug it just a little. And that's it.